Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are here again with the lecture 3 of vocabulary series. So the words of previous days: compendium, ruse, simpleton, flurry, quandary, whistling, plebeian, affluence, lavish, menace. These are the words that we learned in the lecture 1. So here is the lecture 2's words: voracious, indiscriminate, eminent, steeped, replete, abound, prognosticate, automaton, abort, realm. ये हम लोगों ने वर्ड्स पिछले 2 लेक्चर्स में सीखे थे, लेक्चर 1 और लेक्चर 2 में। अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो में देख सकते हैं, उनके लिंक है, ठीक है। So the words of today we will learn are badger, implore, drudgery, interminable, perceive, laconic, thong, interpret, accost, reticent. These are the words that we will learn in this lesson, in this lecture. So the first word is badger. Badger means to pester, nag, annoying persistently. ठीक है, annoy persistently. Badger का मतलब होता है किसी को तंग करना, किसी में नुक्स निकालना, खामख्वाह में उसे तंग करना, उसे जिज करना. That is called badger. The teacher continuously badger the pupil for the missing assignments. You shouldn't threaten your children and not badger them. So the next word is implore. Implore means to plead or request. The sick child mother implored the doctor to come immediately. I implore you to consider it. The next word is drudgery. Drudgery means unpleasant and dull. कोई भी चीज जो कि दिल को अच्छी ना लगे, जो कि डल हो, unpleasant हो, that is called drudgery. She does her homework on Friday to save herself from the drudgery of having to do it during the weekend. For many people in third world country, life has nothing to offer but year of drudgery. The next word is interminable. Interminable means unending. कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो कि एंड ना हो, जिसका एंड हमें ना दिख रहा हो, that is called interminable. I listened to the boring lecture for what seemed an interminable 15 minutes. Jack's friend complained about his interminable tweets. तो जैक इतने ज़्यादा ट्वीट करता है कि वो ख़त्म ही नहीं होते. That is called the interminable. The next word is perceive. Perceive. Perceive means to understand. Perceive कोई भी चीज़ जो कि हम, कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस, कोई भी चीज़ जो हम लोग देखते हैं, उसे अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, that is called perceive. The eminent scientist perceives difficulties in putting the invention into practice. The subject, as you perceive, were alarming but very agreeable. The next word is laconic. Laconic means expressive, expressing much in few words. Laconic. Laconic वो होता है कि एक इंसान में ऐसी एबिलिटी होती है जो कि बहुत सारी बातें कुछ few words में वो उसे convey कर देता है. That is called laconic. His speech was usually rambling, but this time I found it brief and laconic. The writer was laconic when drafting the poem and used very few words in each line. The next word is throng. Throng means crowd. As you see in the picture, the crowd, that is called a throng. The advanced verb of crowd is called throng. When the game ended, the throng of fans cried some of the winning player of the field. As soon as the store opened at 5 a.m., a throng of customers rushed through the door to get the limited tea. Next word is interpret. Interpret means brave. कोई इंसान जो कि बहुत दिलेर हो, निडर हो, जो किसी से ना डरता हो, that is called interpret. Even when the storm was directly over her house, the interpret the old woman didn't panic. The intrepid adventurers climbed the rocky mountain without fear. The next word is accost. Accost means to approach or confront someone in the way that is aggressive and inappropriate. कोई भी इंसान accost का मतलब होता है किसी को बुरा भला कहना, किसी से लड़ाई करना. So that is called accost. The homeless man continued to accost people on the street, walking up to them and demanding that they give him money. Protesters began to accost workers going into the factory and some even tried to block their entry. The next word is reticent. Reticent means reserved, uncommunicative, keeping to yourself. कोई भी इंसान जो कि बहुत कम बातचीत करता हो, जो कि ज्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव ना हो, जो कि रिजर्व हो, तो उसको कहते हैं reticent. When asked if he broke the lamp, the child was reticent and refused to make eye contact. Joe was reticent when I asked why he didn't go to school yesterday. Because Anne is so reticent, you hardly ever know what she's thinking. Never one to be reticent, Cliff made sure everyone knew his opinion. That is reticent. Now, the words we learned today are badger, implore, treasury, interminable, perceive, laconic, tongue, इंटरपेड अकॉस्ट रेटिसेंट. सो तो मैंने आपको यही बोला था कि जब भी हम कोई वर्ड याद करते हैं उसको हम लोग किसी भी स्टोरी फॉर्म में लिख लेते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए ज़्यादा इजी हो जाता है अंडरस्टैंड करना, रिटेन करना अवर माइंड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है पैराग्राफ. तो लेट्स सी द पैराग्राफ. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज समवन्स ओपिनियन बाय badgering him. He implored his boss for assistance with the office treasury. His boss didn't try to perceive that the 5 record task is interminable. His boss laconically replied, "No need." A throng of workers gathered around him. An intrepid employee accosted the boss, "Sir, there is no need." But boss remained reticent and went away. So, ये आप पैराग्राफ देख लें. इस पैराग्राफ की तरह आप भी अपनी इन वर्ड्स को अपने किसी भी पैराग्राफ में स्टोरी फॉर्म में लिखें ताकि ये आपको हमेशा के लिए तैयार रहे. तो आई होप you grasp the lecture. Now please like and subscribe my channel so you won't miss any lectures regarding the vocabulary series. Thank you so much. Be blessed.